What number has 8 thousands, 5 hundreds, 7 tens, and 5 ones? Now this is all about place value. So we're going to write this out basically exactly how it looks. 8 thousands is 8,000. So we'll put an 8 there and a comma after it. Then you have 5 hundreds. So 5 hundreds is in the hundreds place value. So to the right of the thousands, put a 5 there. Next you have 7 tens. Now we don't call it 7 tens in the real world. We say 70, but that's saying put 7 in the tens place value. And last but not least, 5 is going to be in the ones place value. So what number has 8 thousands, 5 hundreds, 7 tens, and 5 ones? Well, 8,575 does. And that's your answer.